Till now, if you are used to closing your position at 3:30 p.m., be ready for a new proposal which has been submitted by SEBI, in which this bell will be ringing from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yes, you heard it right. From 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. is the new proposal which has been submitted by NSE to SEBI after consulting all the market participants. Now it's up to regulators to give an approval for the new trade time extension. As of now, there is already an enabling provision, meaning there is an in-principle approval to NSE for extending the trading hours. But what we spoke to NSE, we have been told that the expectation is that, and it is a fair possibility that market trade time extension may happen in FY24 itself. Now, it needs regulators' approval on time, and after that, there will be discussion with market participants and as and when this extension of trading hours can happen. But all the market participants will be kept in loop, and even the brokers, the dissenting brokers, the market participant has also been spoken to. The cost analysis has been done. Of course, there are still consultations which will be done, but it is definitely a fair possibility in FY24 there may be an extended trading session of at least future and options of index, keeping in line with what is happening globally, keeping in line what is happening in US, keeping in mind if there is any event where our market and our traders needs to react.